the Williams fam. So yeah girl, I'm just getting ready, going out to go do some errands. I also have to go get some stuff for hubby. This weekend is Father's Day weekend, so I still have, well, the kids then still need to go get some stuff, so for him, so we're going to go do that. And I still also have to get a few stuff as well, so I'm going to go do that. So I just got up and got ready. I need to go to the car because I gotta go to his work van. I gotta go get something. So yeah, Father's Day is here already. It's so crazy. Time flies. Time flies. We're pretty much at the end. Yeah, go ahead. At the end of the month, like he's sleeping. So this is the perfect time for me to run out and go get what I need to get done. So definitely going out to go do that. Haven't been feeling so well, so I haven't been vlogging, unfortunately. Yeah, so but I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs them so far. It's nice to be actually getting back outside, but gotta run. So we've left and we're going to go head out. Time to go and do some, well, out shopping. We're still sleeping, so we didn't bother waking up.
We went to bed late.
Yeah, really late.
Fell asleep at like, I made it to 3 o'clock.
We're all getting ready for Canada Day. So, but my tunes are on, so gotta go back to my music. Bye. We're going in for surgery. So we are where we are, so we're going in to go get some stuff right now. Okay.
Man, that bird.
You ready, Faith? Let's go. Wait a minute, no. We really have a choice.
You get chocolate if me going there?
You don't have your own money?
No. Your money if you spend.
Vacating in these things like.
You always up for me, I thought.
Okay, let's go.
Put your body in this.
Look, there's a lineup outside. Let's go. So me and Faith are standing in line, waiting. Oh God, yo, oh my God, I hate these damn things. Even when I was in the hospital and we had to wear them, I hated them. I feel like I'm suffocating, and I hate that feeling. That's why I can't sleep with a pillow with the sheet over my face.
Oh no, how much?
The store.
Aluminum foil. We have none. We use
yeah, we need to get some. So you can, we'll grab two. No, we only need one. One's not.
It's not for making cookies anymore.
No.
We need those.
What?
Oh wait, no. The last time we said we were gonna make cupcakes, but I already made the cake.
Get some wrapping paper and stuff and a gift bag.
We're wrapping stuff.
Yeah.
We were just gonna put it in the bag and we put something over it.
Oh, that's nice, Faith. So, I know that's what we're in here doing. Faith wants to take the lazy way out of getting stuff. Here, I need to get one of these, Faith.
Me too.
I can't get it. See, and I love coming down this aisle. Wait, Faith, look at all the right things. Oh, look at these things. Oh, Faith, this is for the water balloon stuff. Ooh.
Yeah, that's multiple ones that you put on like a hose.
It should be fun.
These are the ones you want to pop on each other. Put up in water and lap them. I would never do that with you guys.
I see, and this is what I love about summer. See all the bright colors of everything. All the bright colors. One place. Now we are off to the next stop. Man,
food.
Spent so much money in there. Holy cow. We're gonna get food here. This one. This is all this one's thinking about, but we're gonna go get food.
I'm hungry.
All this one's thinking about is we're gonna go get food. Oh, Faith, take out the other thing. Let me see if it works. Oh Lord. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying. Outside is nice. It's gonna be a hot one this weekend, guys. Yes.
Let me know.
It's gonna be a hot one. You like drink off half the cold water, Faith?
You know, I still have mine, but it's hot. Maybe if I gum, I shouldn't eat that right now because I'm gonna be more hungry.
Well, it's extra hot now because it's been sitting in the car for so long. So I just bought this jack. So weird. So I'm gonna see if this one works, because if this one works, then I'll put this back in the truck.
Look at me,
What did you just do?
Drop the water.
Okay, it works on there. Ooh, and I think it works in here. No, none of that. Okay, it worked. You want to get charged for indecent exposure?
I'm a child.
Point is, we finished one place. Now we're heading off to the next place. I'm gonna call and see if Mario's awake now, because we need to go like closer to almost downtown.
Why?
I got some stuff that I gotta go pick up, so maybe we'll head down there. We'll see if he's awake.
And we can get, and is it that
so
place?
Maybe like all of us will go out and get out of the house. So I'm gonna call him.
I'm gonna go swimming
and see. It's gonna be very hot. Yeah, so it's supposed to be a really hot one this weekend, guys. So
I'm gonna go to Nisha's and sit in the baby's pool.
So that's what we're doing.
I'm gonna deflate the pool.
I didn't wake him up because me and Faith literally snuck out of the house. Everybody was still sleeping.
Yeah, I dropped.
So we literally snuck out just so we can get what we need to get. And I got one more place to go, and then I'm gonna hurry up and hide the stuff to go home.
Put it in our room. Put all the candy in there too.
So I'm gonna hide the stuff so they can wrap the stuff.
Yeah, just put it in our room.
Wrap the gift for him.
Put it in our room in the closet.
Oh look, there's a mini plane. Made it to our next stop. And this one, of course, over here, trying to hide.
It's an
ice cap and trying to hide it. Oh my gosh.
I'm not trying to hide it. Oh, my toes are burning.
Oh, so, well, I got what I needed to get. I'm trying to see if I can find this tank. I wanted to buy this tank, but it's just, I don't feel like spending that much money on the tank just for now. But I'm gonna have to find a way if I can get the other stuff. Oh, my phone like literally died. Like literally. Oh, gosh.
I use that word all the time. I used to use that word all the time.
Oh no.
I used to word like
it's not turning up. We have one more stop and then we're going to go in, and then I got somewhere else to go.
You want something to drink, mommy?
So that's what.
Here you go.
You got jokes. No, you ain't funny. So, and then we're going to make one more stop, and then that is it for the day. So I gotta try and get this phone to charge. I thought like it was charging
something
when I went in, and I just got Mario a quick little breakfast. It's after 2 now, but I just got him his French vanilla because he likes French vanilla stuff, and we gotta go probably get some groceries done today as well.
We've almost been out for 3 hours.
And yeah, pretty much. Well, that's because when you go into 2 stores and you have to line up, it's forever. And I think everybody's doing their last minute Father's Day shopping as well. So I'm in between doing both. I already got him some stuff for anniversary and birthday, but I'm also doing some last minute stuff. I'm still waiting on stuff to coming, and I hope everything comes in time. But I'm just hoping. But at least I got him some stuff, so that will be good. And the kids them got him, well, what the stuff he has now is what the kids them pretty much got him. So we gotta go home and go hide the stuff in the closet in the kids them room.
Yeah,
so they can wrap them and stuff like that. And
we're gonna wrap them today.
Gift basket together. Yes, we'll have to wrap them today. Father's Day is Sunday. It's coming up, so that's what we're doing. We just reached in, and we gotta go sort out the stuff. I know we're actually heading back out, but I came home to wake up Mario because we need to go. We need to get going. Huh? Here, this one's charged. So you can't leave it there. You're gonna have to pick it up. If he comes downstairs, he can see all of the stuff.
Where are we gonna put it? We can't put it in our closet. There's like a holy for something. Only got teddy bear.
Oh, I gotta either put it in your bedroom or in Memphis' room behind the door for now.
Memphis has space behind his door. We don't.
Yeah, but I said it's either in his closet or in behind Memphis's door for now.
Or underneath my bed. So my bed is nothing.
Okay, so we're gonna try and see if we can get the stuff them upstairs and hide for now, so we can get them done later. All right, so now we're heading back outside. It's nice out, and hubby is up. Okay, we're gonna go through the garage. So let's go. Okay, time to go.
I'm bringing water. I'm gonna get some water.
All right, so you're heading out now. Oh, focus. To actually hide hubby's gift. So by the time you guys see this, okay, what do you mean? Hurry up! By the time you guys see this,
Bring the stuff.
I'll turn off the light here. So by the time you guys see this, we're ready.
I'm a 7.
No. We have reached a outdoor drive-through food service, as you can see over here. So we're about to pick one of these food places here, and we're gonna try some food. So we have what, Little Italy right there. We got a donut and a few different things. So we're gonna come down here to get in. I got what I came for. But on top of that, we found a nice little chill out space. Oh no, that didn't even type in the thing right, babes. And they're having this thing. I didn't even know that they were having something down here today. So I'll show you guys what it is. And this is down by the Yorkdale Mall. So they have these chip trucks all over, but you order food online and it's like a mini drive-through. So it's right in front of the Yorkdale Mall. It's here, well, I think today and tomorrow.
Yes.
I'm not sure when else it's going to last. I'm actually just putting in the information now to get some food available pickup today pickup. Okay, so we are in, look at these two here, back here, literally frightened. So we are in line right now waiting. So this is our line to get food. Reach, and we're about to get our food, just waiting.
Food we wait for how much hour?
It hasn't been that 2 hours.
2 hours?
It hasn't been 2 hours. We've just been down here cruising.
My toast is high.
Actually, me not hurry.
Hurry, do you see the traffic that's on the highway to go home? Nah, don't say that. And then this here.
And then this here too.
This is like, what is that? Nutella pasta?
No, it's not. There's protein.
Yeah, but that's why I said, like, everybody's starting to come now. To try the jerk chicken. The girls them got jerk chicken poutine. So I'm waiting to try that.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
it's a long way, eh? Alright, thank
Got
you.
my food, guys.
Really nice.
Yes. What does it say on the label? Pineapple.
Ouch!
Let me see it.
Alright, go drink some mine.
Here, guys, this is yours.
So this is this cap.
I don't know. You
Let
asked
me
me.
show it.
What? Silly
Mr. Mario.
Oh, you don't want to give me none?
Oh my god. Can I taste your guys' food?
I have to
Take
now,
this.
mommy can't hear you.
Mario, pass this kid in. Okay, so, and this is my food here. I got myself some jerk chicken. And then
Oh, what's my food there?
wait a minute, you said you didn't want anything.
But now in that 2 hours when me there, maybe like more something.
Really big.
Yeah, maybe it's 2 hours, I must feel like more something.
You want to try the girls and food?
Oh,
Oh, you want to try first now? You want off limit?
Fiat.
Here.
Fiat in food.
Yeah, they already have her food.
So we
Take
want
this.
for them.
Take the straw. Risa, we go try your food.
Okay.
I just want to taste a little bit. Cause Fiat stingy with PR.
Mommy, but I can't hold mine because my legs are...
It's I have it in the thing. You'll be able to hold it. That's fine. So this is Risa's
Mario, if
food
you want to
here.
taste, you can taste it. Okay, well, I'll just eat it by myself.
Yeah, let me show you guys.
It smells like...
So what
Or
am I
just-
white sitting there?
They're cheese.
Block
So
of
this is
cheese.
Risa's food here.
Here, Mommy,
And this
here,
is
You can taste it before I have some.
poutine. Pass me the fork, Risa.
Here is a fork and spoon.
No, I just need a
It's a
fork.
knife.
Take the knife.
I know.
So this is what the girls them said they wanted. So I'm testing it out.
There is no space.
You want fries, babe?
No.
No?
No, no food found.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna give people the main food. What's your craving?
It's not intentional.
Really? They wrote if you go on the 401.
See, you have me attack me out and me have rest of food in my hand. Here, sir. Thank you, honey.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for
Look for
letting
your
me
cards.
come.
Babe, how is it?
What? I'm not tasting it.
You lie. Wait a minute.
I'm eating off the chicken first. Cause chicken and poutine.
Which way are you gonna go?
You
go this way.
say one way. You don't want to really want to go down this way, babe?
So you guys eat up. So I'm about to go eat my food just now. And
you say that you leave me a stay for a day.
I know we got lost.
So I guess
Yeah,
yeah.
we got lost.
Mario, what do you mean? I mean, make you get lost?
Yeah,
You were telling me the directions to go in.
Okay.
I wasn't telling him the directions.
Big lad say.
We find our way down to the lake because I left my bag.
Yeah, we like
So you can't use your phone.
No.
No. So we're just taking a walk. Look at these two.
To the park, very cool.
Yeah, the temperature is totally
Speak Papa Mario.
changed down here.
You must speak English is so weird.
I know. They didn't pack up the bench because they don't want none of us sitting on them. Yeah, but they could still have them. Just spread them 6 feet apart. Did you see that those guys, they were just doing martial arts? They're just streaming. The temperature down here is
Cool.
totally different. What I say, I feel like it's winter time again.
Oh, Mario, cool. Look at
Yeah, too much fat. It's young cool.
Mommy, Daddy, you should have brought the ball.
pregnant belly.
You should have brought the ball.
What's that cream for your back?
Really, Faith? We're trying to do popper back? Oh, God. Here, Faith, about carry upon your back. Look at the size of Faith and Faith asks for stuff to carry upon your back.
Somebody done your good last year and said, geez, I don't know, you don't see a little girl.
No, they wouldn't even believe that it was Faith last year. How she looks like. This is what quarantine does to your kids.
Jump off.
Go on, go on.
Go on, tell me.
I love that you jump.
The water looks
That's my phone over there, son. Get it from the money.
So they literally bar off all of here, so we can't go over there right now either.
Oh, the last time I looked at the dead tree fence.
I don't want to go over there anyways.
Yeah.
come in.
Hello,
No, once it's done, what I see is in the tree.
Yes. Yeah, no, that's
Really, Mario? It's a squirrel. Oh, there he is. He's moving.
Where there?
I can't pick you up.
Oh my God. She's like, it's almost like turning into a raggedy doll.
I wanted to die.
You got to jump off this time.
They say, babes, this make you miss back home, huh?
I know, look at the water.
scenery.
It looks clear. Mom, go down.
Miss the ocean.
I bet that's what make me.
Jamaica, you can still go.
Mommy, look, there's
Definitely,
people over there. You
this
can
makes
go.
me miss the ocean. On our way home now, we just left the lake. And we're just here, you know, just kind of reminiscing about life and where we're coming from to where we are and where we hope to go in the future. And it's crazy, you know. That's why in life you set goals for yourself and you continue to put God first in everything you do and just have faith that you can achieve anything you really put your mind to. So yeah, we're just going home. Not sure what else we're doing for the night. Reached home and we've reached home. We're not about past the seat.
Oh, my feet just a seat.
Yeah, we've reached home. I'm about to go take a shower. We're not doing much for the rest of the night. Probably just hanging out, watching some movie. And that's it. And yeah, I've got a few things to... Ow. And I got some gifts to go wrap, so me and the girls... Close the door. Close the door. Yes, me I chat you. So we have some gifts. So we have some gifts to go wrap. So me and the kids are gonna go do that and get the gift basket ready for Father's Day because we're not gonna have no time. And he almost seen some stuff because he's there peeping, unfortunately. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll go wrap. I'll show you guys, well, stay tuned for the next video. Maybe I'll show you like how I wrapped and the gift basket. So I guess we will catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I'ma feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.